Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to lesson 2 of our topic data. This one, ooh, I don't think it's too tricky. I'll show you. We're giving graphs titles. We're naming the axes on the bottom and on the side. And we're doing some graphs, column graphs. They're normal graphs, nothing too crazy. We're going to get into it. First thing up, titles and naming axes. Graphs must have a title. Without a title, you don't know what you're looking at. So you need a title. And you need a name on the horizontal axis, like this, horizon, and then vertical axis, boom, the one on the side. So this example, it's got a title, it's got an x-axis, it's got a y-axis, and down the front, got label as well. So yeah, so I've got the line and the label, but it's too small. Why? Look, it's tiny. Fruit should be much bigger, both of those. Bad example. The title, even the title could be bigger. Just a little bit. Scrolling down. Try these. So, what is missing? It doesn't have a title. All right. What could be an appropriate title? So we should know more than just a graph. But it looks like we got days of the week and the boxes, but something about it's boxes per days of week, but that's all we can say. You shouldn't be making a title just from the graph. Boxes per day of week. We should find out what the data was in the first place. Scrolling down. 3, 2, 1. Label the missing axes. Give the graph a title. So, good. Now we have axes. Good. The sports teacher at Pascal Primary School asked the students to select the sport they would most like to play. So, this is number of students. And this is going to get a little bit tricky. Very tricky. I'm not used to doing this. Writing on the side. I think if I try to look at the screen, I'll go crazy. So I'm just going to look at my tablet. Sport they would most. Yeah, this ain't going too well. Like to play. Well, now that didn't quite go to plan, did it? It was worth a try. I will just move it where you can see it. Oh, even the T didn't go to plan. Oh, no, that's it. I'm gonna have to work on that. My sideways tablet writing and title. So, sport that students would most like to play. It's a bit long. But it's accurate. It's accurate. I'm going to make that different color easy to see. Purple, no blue, green. There we go. All right, scrolling down. You know what? Whoa. I just realized. No, we don't need to make that on the side so big. You could just say sport. The title does the work here, telling you this. All you need to say on the side is sport. Okay, this was easier than I thought to learn. Wow. I thought that'd be tough. Scrolling down. And that should be there. Little details. Cool. Constructing vertical column graphs. Yay, constructing a graph. So, how many of these fellas do we have? The first lot. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So we go up to 5. And Oh, no, right. This one. We'll just go here. And you make a column. This is the easiest type of one. We'll learn other types as well. And it's nice if you shade it in a bit. Otherwise, you can't see it. 1. Ants. 1. Oh, change color. 1, 2. And lastly, so we had ladybugs, we had ants, then we've got some sort of grasshopper here. I will use green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you go up to 7. And down. And that is how you make the most basic type of column graph. But what have I done? Oh no, I've just drawn the graph, but it doesn't have a title, it doesn't have a name, it doesn't have a name. So on the bottom, we should say insect. It should go underneath those, so it should be like there. Insect. Can't see that. Let's go red. Now you can't. And then on the side, the number. Trick is just to look at the cursor. Let the brain handle the rest. But now, title. All we can say is the number of insects. They didn't give us space either. Number of insects. Well, that was silly of me. Go, scrolling down. Some questions. Complete the bar graph, not a bar graph. Complete the column graph. Using the information, answer the questions. So graph, answer, give it some titles, and we got rid of the questions too. So no question. So just have a go at that one. Just have a go. I'm giving out fewer answers. I'm going to scroll down. People copying too much. Then this one. Now this one's a little bit different. We can't just add them up straight away because we're doing chocolate bars sold, and we got 4 days only, and they don't care what type of chocolate bar it is. The first thing we need to do is we need to figure out how many chocolate bars were sold on Monday. So we go 2 plus 0 plus 5, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 6, 16, 17. So you need to work out these totals. 3, 6, 7, 9, 12, 13. I went a bit faster. 3, 6, 7, 9, 12, 13. No, got it right. 3. I want you to do the last two and then graph them. You can do that. Scrolling. And then here, this is our graph. No, oh, this is so bad. They should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They should say that. You can't assume that. So I'm putting that there so you can answer the questions. I don't like it when they don't have numbers. I don't like it. So a couple of questions. I'm looking for anything. No. Just have a go at the rest of this. And I'm not going to give you answers. Maybe later, but not this video. All right. Bye.